blessed to be able to celebrate the accomplishments of our junior high students in this virtual honor roll. These accomplishments are even more remarkable when one considers the many challenges and obstacles faced in fourth quarter during remote learning. I'm sure while you enjoyed being able to wake up later, setting up Google Classroom for different classes, keeping up with all the homework, encountering obstacles such as slow internet, procrastination, and feelings of isolation from your friends couldn't have been easy. Your attention span at home must have been much shorter than it is at school, because our homes were not created to be a school environment. Probably every time you had a class or wanted to get some homework done, there was always some kind of distraction. Plus, it was way harder to get feedback on your work. But while you may not have been writing as many essays as former students or reading as much history, you were truly living history, and you've learned so much. Resilience, time management, and how to be responsible for your own learning. So let me be the first to congratulate you on all that you have accomplished. 6th grade, second honors. Grace Alexson, Alexandra Casanovas, Sophia Fiaccato, Abigail Jump, Nathan Mann, Aria Miller, Adrian Schaubel, Matthew Van Diemen. 6th grade, first honors. William Acevedo, Charlotte Blankenheim, Paige Eddy, Gavin Jones, Henry Kopek, Marissa Macciola, Caden Metternach, Henry Metternach, Nathan Michaels, Charlie Nash, Ella Oster, Lucas Orozco, Tess Richards, Regan Swan, Cadence Whitehead, and Cole Williams. 6th grade, outstanding honors. Jack Christoffel, Mia Dominguez, Halo Galvez Huerta, Cece Hilby, Jessica Holland, Abby Lurick, Samantha Ochoa, Adam Pearson, Billy Reynolds, Michaela Seener, Jack Switek, Bill Voss, and Jackson Washington. Receiving second honors in 7th grade, Aaron Barr, Sophia Corral, Eleanor Hawkins, and Jason San Diego. Receiving first honors, Aimee Acosta, Maite Acosta, Emilio Arizaga, Annie Schiltz, and Liam Schwartz. And outstanding honors in 7th grade go to Sarah Beggs, Ryan Churchill, Nick De Leon, Reese Gilla, Anna Heffertepe, Regan Conan, Caroline Kuttner, Isabel Lagman, Ava Moskal, and Aaliyah Ritchie. Receiving second honors in 8th grade, Rudy Griffin, Alex Powell, Mateo Ramirez, and Julian Torres. Receiving first honors, Luke Kaufman, Addie Convey, Amila Derma, Daniel Eberly, Patrick Hilby, Allie Orozco, Seth Vahey, and Rachel Udit. Outstanding honors in 8th grade goes to Ryan Anderson, Olivia Chavez, Sarah Duvall, Emmy Hollerbush, Kevin Lilwitz, Charlie Reynolds, Jacob Seener, and Kevin Stanislaw. Congratulations to all of you, and have a great summer.